Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you edit customer details in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to edit your customers' information in Stripe anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers are going to message saying they never got the receipt, so maybe you have the wrong contact details for them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and edit your customer information, here on the left side, you're going to click on customers. All right, once you do that, go ahead and scroll down to the customer that you want to edit. Once you found the customer, go ahead and click on their name. All right, once you click on their name, off to the right, you're going to see customer details. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon next to details. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and edit the customer details, including their email, their phone number, their shipping details. Once you've edited, be sure to click on Update Customer right down here on the bottom right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to edit your customer details in your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.